Welcome back, everybody. Breezy night tonight. Temperatures in the mid-70s. We're not going to fall much from here. We might get down to 70 by tomorrow morning. Winds stay out of the south, 24 to 30 miles an hour. We'll have those gusts continue. We're really starting to moisten up the atmosphere. Pretty humid outside tonight. It'll be humid over the next couple of days. That sets the stage for showers and storms as we go through the next couple of days. Right now, we're seeing these kind of blossom to the northwest of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and that's where a vast majority of the rain stays tonight through the overnight, even into early tomorrow morning. So you can see the pretty widespread rain in areas like Graham over to Bowie. None of this is severe at this time. Now, overnight tonight, it's unlikely to become severe. Could a storm or two produce a little bit of wind and maybe some dime-size hail? Certainly. But there will be some heavy rain. In fact, there's that flood watch in effect for those counties northwest of the Metroplex through noon Sunday, because that's where this rain will stay overnight tonight, and it is heavy. Now, let's get into Sunday's timing. Sunday morning, most of North Texas will be dry. You can see that here. This is noon. Red River counties and areas to the west, that's a different story. If you live in Eastland, if you live in Mineral Wells, Graham, Bowie, Decatur, that is a much better chance of rain Sunday afternoon or Sunday morning into the early afternoon than the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Watch as we get into the mid-afternoon. That cluster of thunderstorms gets into parts of the Metroplex by 3, 4, and 5. However, the intensity likely to dial down just a little bit. Notice the coverage even kind of dissipates as we go into the evening. So tomorrow, just like overnight, the most widespread rain will be northwest of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. That does not mean the Metroplex stays dry all day. It's just that's where the heaviest rain is going to be. Then we get into Sunday night, and still more scattered showers and storms are possible. So the risk of severe weather on Sunday, level 1 on a 1 to 5 for Dallas. In areas south and east, shaded in the green. Level 2, slight risk for wind gusts 50 to 60 and up to quarter-size hail. That again is Sunday afternoon, Sunday night. Now let's get into Monday. Monday is when our most widespread rain moves into North Texas. 7 a.m. it's spotty showers. 9 a.m. spotty showers. Then we get into the midday hour into the afternoon. We'll try to build in some instability, and how much we build in, the timing of the front is going to be key in determining when the storms start to fire off, number one, and number two, the mode of severe weather that we're looking at. Now, take a look. This is 12. We get into 1 o'clock. It's fairly widespread, widely scattered activity at 1 p.m. So thunderstorms pretty numerous at 2. We get into 3 and 4 o'clock. Widespread showers and thunderstorms in the Metroplex. Then we get into 5. 6, 7, still kind of in the eastern portion of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, east of the Metroplex by 7 or 8 o'clock, and then into eastern portions of North Texas and East Texas by 10, and then this all pushes out in time for Election Day. So Monday afternoon, Monday evening, everybody in North Texas is included in a level 2 slight risk. Wind gust up to 60, 65 miles an hour. That'll be the number 1 risk. There's also the chance for a couple of isolated tornadoes within that broken line of thunderstorms. It's certainly not a 0 chance, and I don't want anybody being worried. I know when we hear tornadoes, some people get a little bit anxious and a little bit nervous about that stuff, but these would likely be very quick spin-ups, kind of isolated within the broken line. We are going to keep a close eye on it. You should too. Tonight, 70 degrees, warm, muggy, and breezy. Scattered thunderstorms, 80 tomorrow. Scattered rain and thunderstorms. There's the 14-day forecast. The first 7, you see Election Day right now looks dry. That's great news. 70 Wednesday, more chances of showers and storms Thursday and Friday. And our next Mavericks game on KFAA, 6:30 tomorrow against the Orlando Magic.
That's still very exciting when I see all those Mavericks games here on the 14-day forecast. I love that.